said you needed distance, like love was something heavy, like every word between us was pulling you too steady. I stayed when things got quiet, tried to keep the pieces straight, but every time I held the line, you took another step away. I thought we were fighting for it, but I was fighting alone. You let go while I was holding tight. You ran slow while I was trying harder. I gave everything I had just to keep us standing still, but you were already halfway gone before you said you will. You let go. You called it self-protection, like love was something cruel. Believing someone bleeding is just another way to lose. I tried to keep the quiet from turning into cracks, but every promise that I saved was something you took back. You said it wasn't my fault, but that don't make it right. You let go while I was holding tight. You ran slow while I was trying harder. I gave everything I had just to keep us standing still, but you were already halfway gone before you said you will. Maybe love was never broken, maybe you were just afraid. Maybe running felt easier than the mess that we had made. You let go, I was left here standing, heart open, still not understanding. I gave everything I had, every promise I could build, but you were already halfway gone before you stood still. You let go. Oh, let go. You